Aqueous solution. A solution in which water is the dissolving medium or solvent. Polar molecule. A molecule that has a permanent dipole moment. Hydration. The interaction between solute particles and water molecules. Solubility. The amount of a substance that dissolves in a given volume of solvent at a given temperature. Solute. A substance dissolved in liquid to form a solution. Solvent. The dissolving medium in a solution. Electrical conductivity. The ability to conduct an electric current. Strong electrolyte. A material, when dissolved in water, gives a solution that conducts an electric current very efficiently. Weak electrolyte. A material which, when dissolved in water, gives a solution that conducts only a small electric current. Non-electrolyte. A substance that, when dissolved in water, gives a non-conducting solution. Acid. A substance that marks the endpoint of an acid-base titration by changing color. Strong acid. An acid that completely dissociates to produce an H ion and the conjugate base. Strong base. A metal hydroxide salt that completely dissociates into its ions in water. Weak acid. An acid that dissociates only slightly in aqueous solution. Weak base. A base that reacts with water to produce hydroxide ions to only a slight extent in aqueous solution. Molarity. Moles of solute per volume of solution in liters. Standard solution. A solution whose concentration is accurately known. Dilution. The process of adding solvent to lower the concentration of solute in a solution. Precipitation reaction. A reaction in which an insoluble substance forms and separates from the solution. Precipitate. The solid formed in the precipitation reaction. Formula equation. An equation representing a reaction in solution showing the reactants and products in undissociated form, whether they are strong or weak electrolytes. Complete ionic equation. An equation that shows all substances that are strong electrolytes as ions. Spectator ions. Ions present in solution that do not participate directly in a reaction. Net ionic equation. An equation for a reaction in solution, where strong electrolytes are written as ions, showing only those components that are directly involved in the chemical change. Base. A substance that produces hydroxide ions in aqueous solution, a proton acceptor. Neutralization reaction. An acid-base reaction. Volumetric analysis. A process involving titration of one solution with another. Titration. A technique in which one solution is used to analyze another. Stoichiometric point. The point in a titration when enough titrant has been added to react exactly with the substance in solution being titrated. Indicator. A chemical that changes color and is used to mark the endpoint of a titration. Endpoint. The point in a titration at which the indicator changes color. Oxidation-reduction reaction. A reaction in which one or more electrons are transferred. Oxidation state. A concept that provides a way to keep track of electrons in oxidation-reduction reactions according to certain rules. Oxidation. An increase in oxidation state. Reduction. A decrease in oxidation state. Oxidizing agent. A reactant that accepts electrons from another reactant. Reducing agent. A reactant that donates electrons to another substance to reduce the oxidation state of one of its atoms. Half reactions. The two parts of an oxidation-reduction reaction, one representing oxidation, the other reduction.